Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to execute and debug MPJExpress programs using NetBeans IDE. I have already started the NetBeans. First of all, I will create a new project. To create a new project in NetBeans, go in File menu, select New Project, select Java Application and Next. Here is the name of your project. Let's suppose MPJExpress Debugger Demo is my project name and finish it. Now I have created a very basic project of Java. Now I want to add a source file. To add source file, go in New File icon and select it, and here select Java and Java class, click Next. In class name, let's suppose Debugger Demo is my class name and finish it. I have already written a code of Debugger Demo and I will copy and paste here. Now here is the error that MPI package does not exist. To include MPI package, we have to include MPJ.jar file, which is located in MPJExpress software. To include MPJ.jar file, go in libraries and add jars and select MPJ.jar file. Click open. The errors are gone. Now this is a very basic program of MPJExpress, in which each process will get its rank and size of total communication word and print it. To execute this program, we have to configure its run configuration. To configure its run configuration, select Customize and here click New. Let's suppose the configuration name is MPJExpress. OK, and select main class, browse it. The main class is Debugger Demo, and in virtual machine option we have to specify the starter.jar file or runtime of MPJExpress with -jar option. -jar, and here is the location of starter.jar file, which is located in MPJExpress software lib folder. First of all, locate where your MPJExpress software is and copy the address of lib folder and paste here, and the name starter.jar. Next we have to mention total number of processes that we want to start with -np flag. Let's suppose I want to start 4 processes. Click OK and run it. As we started 4 processes, and here is the statement of these processes, in which each process is printing its rank and total size of communication word. That hello, I am 0, total are 4. Now if we want to debug this application, first of all we have to introduce breakpoints. To introduce breakpoints, just click it. Here is the breakpoint. Now we have to mention that this application is launched as in debug mode. Go again in Customize, and here in virtual machine option we need to specify an extra argument, that is -agentlib. JDWP is equal to transport is equal to DT_socket. Here we are mentioning that the debugger will communicate with itself with other virtual machines with the sockets, and server is equal to y suspend is equal to y, and address is equal to, let's suppose, 8000. Here we are mentioning the port number, that at port number 8000 this server will listen and accept the remote debugger to attach itself. Click OK and execute it. As we mentioned, the port number was 8000, and here it is printing that it is listening for transport data and underscore socket at address 8000. Now we have to attach a debugger. Go in debug menu and select attach debugger, and here, as we mentioned, the port number was 8000 and the host name and the communication transport is data underscore socket, and click OK. Now our debugging is started. And here are the total threads or processes. And you can control these processes by step over expression, step into, and step out. Now select any thread and select here variables. Here the rank statement is executed, and here is the rank of this process is 3. Step over it. The size of total communication word is printed as 4. Here is its value. Step over again. In output and debugger demo run. Here is the output of console that process 3 prints that I am 3 and total are 4. Select another thread, go in variables, local variables, and here rank of this process is 2. Step over. The size is 4. Step over again, and here is the output that I am 2 out of 4. Similarly, you can debug every process by same procedure. Step over it. Its rank is 1, size is 4. Step over again, and its print statement is that I am 1 out of 4. And you can resume all of the threads, and here is the program terminated at which, and here is the total statements that I am, that each process print its rank and the size of total communication word. Thank you very much for listening this tutorial. If you have any query or comments, please mail on at MPJExpress mailing list.